Karsten is today? Hey, Braxton.
Yeah.
Yeah, he is 3. And guys, guess what? Karsten is going to be here in 1 week. Are you excited to see him?
My birthday's in 1 week.
No, your birthday's done. We're not talking about your birthday right now. It's Karsten's birthday. Haley. Guys, Braxton, come back and sit down. We're talking about Karsten's birthday. Is there anything else you want to say to Karsten for his birthday?
Happy birthday, Karsten. Happy birthday.
Are you-
The next time I see you, I'll have a present for you.
Oh, we should celebrate.
Don't touch this.
Uh-oh.
That was it. I think that was it.
What do you say, Karsten?
Today is Karsten's birthday.
Hold on.
Karsten, what do you say?
Hold on 1 second. Karsten, what do you say?
Today is Karsten's birthday,
Go
so
ahead.
we
Don't pull this. Leave that alone.